Do you want a minimalist look for your iPhone and change the app icons to this cool black and white color? This is how the app icons look like before, and this is how they look like after I change them to black and white. It's a pretty quick and simple process, so let's start right away. The first thing which you'll want to do is to make sure that your iPhone is updated to the iOS 18 software update, or later, since this is a new feature. Now, you'll want to long press anywhere on the screen until the icons start shaking and they enter this wiggle mode. Locate this little Edit option at the top left corner of the screen, which will then give us these options. Click on this Customize button, then locate this Tinted option. Now let's make our app icons black and white by simply dragging this bottom slider from the left side all the way over to the right. You will see that our icons are slowly changing to a black and white color, and in order to save your changes, just tap anywhere on the home screen. That is essentially how we can change our app icon color to this monochrome black and white look on iPhone. This especially looks cool on a black iPhone, so follow the steps of the video and enjoy in your new home screen look.